2018 Toyota Corolla came into TS Auto a few weeks ago for a smashed front end. Did a complete front end makeover. The hood, the front light, the fender, and a blend was done to the Corolla, and after that it was stripped down to be painted. As soon as all the front end pieces were fitted back to the car then made its way into the boot, where it was given 2 coats of white and 2 coats of clear for an extra crisp finish. In the end, I'm quite happy with the outcome of the car. The paint blended quite well. You can barely tell it was ever in an accident, which is what you want. Paint was done well. It didn't smear, it didn't smudge anywhere. Good job overall. If you like the video and you like content like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below, as it does help the channel quite a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below on video specifics you'd like to see.